If your blower motor control is out on your 04 to 08 or 09 Ford F-150 models, watch this video and I'll show you how easy it is to replace it without taking it to a shop. Let's go. What's up, YouTube? What's going on? This Chi-Vlogz back with another one. On today's episode, we're gonna be replacing the blower motor module. Nobody knows what that is. Basically, my heater only works at number 4. So that's number 1, number 2, number 3, and it only works on 4. So we're going to be replacing the blower module, which is in this box right here. So this up real quick. I got this off eBay Motors, and I believe it was like $12, $13. Basically, it's this bad boy right here. So this is what controls that. So we got this, and our blower module is in here. So we're gonna take out the old one and replace it, and all you need is a 8mm socket, because that's what the little bolt is. It's an 8mm. So I'm gonna set you guys here up on my little stand that I got here, and let's get to it. And here we go, guys. Here's the old one, and here's the new one. So just connect it right back. And repeat the process. You just push it back in and put your 2 8mm bolts right back in. Alrighty, there we go. So now we're gonna go ahead and test it out. I don't know if she turned on, but oh yeah, that's 1, that's 2, that's 3. That's 4. There you guys have it. DIY. Don't take it to a shop. They're gonna charge you hundreds of dollars. You do it yourself. 5 minutes of your time. DIY. Anybody could do it. There you go. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, and of course, gotta subscribe. To the next one, guys. Peace.